Scene script. Ever wonder why testosterone is so important for men? Well, let's dive right in. Testosterone is, without a doubt, a key player in men's health. It's like the master puppeteer, pulling the strings behind the scenes, orchestrating a multitude of bodily functions. Firstly, testosterone is the conductor of the muscle symphony. It governs the growth and strength of muscles, giving men their characteristic physical structure and vigor. Without adequate testosterone, maintaining muscle mass can become an uphill battle. But that's not all. Testosterone is also the guardian of bone health. It promotes bone density, ensuring a sturdy and resilient skeletal system. It's like the unseen shield protecting us from conditions like osteoporosis, which can otherwise make our bones fragile and prone to fractures. Moving beyond the physical, testosterone also wears the hat of a mood regulator. It influences our emotional landscape, playing a significant role in controlling mood swings, boosting confidence, and fostering a general sense of well-being. It's like the unseen force that helps us navigate life's ups and downs with resilience and poise. And let's not forget, testosterone is the torchbearer of sexual health in men. It's the fuel that drives libido, contributes to fertility, and supports various functions related to sexual and reproductive health. It's like the spark that keeps the flame of sexual well-being alive and burning brightly. So you might be thinking, wow, testosterone really does a lot. And you're right. But remember, like anything else in life, balance is key. Too little or too much can tip the scales, leading to a range of health issues. However, the good news is, there are ways to manage testosterone levels naturally, which we'll be exploring in the upcoming scenes. Understanding the importance of testosterone is the first step towards taking charge of your health. So, you see, testosterone plays a crucial role in not just a man's physical health, but his emotional well-being too. But how can you tell if your testosterone levels are low? Well, low testosterone, also known as hypogonadism, can be a bit of a silent condition. The symptoms are often subtle and can be mistaken for a natural part of aging or the result of other health issues. However, there are some warning signs to look out for. One of the most common signs is a low sex drive. Testosterone plays a key role in libido, or sexual desire in men. If you're noticing a significant drop in your desire for sexual activity, it might be due to low testosterone levels. Another sign is fatigue or a lack of energy. Are you feeling unusually tired, even after a good night's sleep? Or perhaps you're finding it hard to get motivated to do things you once enjoyed? This could be a sign of low testosterone. Depression or mood swings can also be a symptom. Testosterone influences mood and mental capacity. So if you're feeling unusually sad, irritable, or have difficulty concentrating, low testosterone could be the culprit. Next, we have difficulty in muscle building. Testosterone plays a crucial role in muscle mass and strength, so if you're finding it harder to gain muscle, despite regular workouts, or if you're noticing a decrease in muscle mass, this could be due to low testosterone levels. But here's an important note. These signs don't always mean low testosterone. They could be caused by a variety of other factors, such as stress, poor diet, or lack of sleep. So, if you're experiencing these symptoms, don't jump to conclusions. The best way to know for sure is to consult with a healthcare professional. They can perform a simple blood test to measure your testosterone levels and help you understand what might be causing your symptoms. Remember, if you're experiencing these symptoms, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. After all, knowledge is power, and understanding your body is the first step towards optimum health. Scene script. Ready to learn some natural ways to boost your testosterone levels? Let's dive right in. The beautiful thing about our bodies is that they're designed to respond to our lifestyle choices. What we eat, how we exercise, the amount of sleep we get, and how we manage stress can all have significant impacts on our testosterone levels. Consider regular exercise. It's not just about looking good or feeling strong. Regular physical activity is one of the most effective ways to prevent many lifestyle-related health issues, and it's also a powerful testosterone booster. Weightlifting, in particular, is known to stimulate testosterone production. But don't worry if you're not a fan of pumping iron. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can also be effective. Remember, the key here is consistency. Making exercise a regular part of your routine can work wonders for your testosterone levels. Next up, we have our diet. What we consume plays a crucial role in hormone production. A balanced diet that includes protein, healthy fats, and carbs can optimize testosterone levels. Foods rich in zinc and vitamin D, like oysters and fatty fish, can also give your testosterone a natural boost. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is essential for a multitude of bodily functions, including hormone production. Moving on to sleep, this is one area that often gets overlooked. We live in a busy world, where burning the midnight oil is often seen as a badge of honor. But missing out on sleep can have serious consequences for your testosterone levels. In fact, a lack of sleep is one of the strongest risk factors for low testosterone. So try to make quality sleep a priority. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and make sure your sleep environment is conducive to restful slumber. Finally, let's talk about stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, and your testosterone levels are no exception. High stress levels can raise your cortisol levels, which in turn can lower your testosterone. So it's important to find ways to manage stress effectively. This could mean practicing mindfulness, doing yoga, or simply making time for hobbies and activities you enjoy. Whatever helps you relax and unwind, make it a regular part of your routine. These lifestyle changes may seem small, but their cumulative effect on your testosterone levels can be significant. And the best part is, they're all natural, and they come with a host of other health benefits. So it's not just about boosting testosterone, it's about embracing a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. With these lifestyle changes, you can naturally boost your testosterone levels. Did you know that your diet can significantly impact your testosterone levels? Yes, what you eat can be a game changer for your testosterone levels. Let's dive into the world of nutrition and see what foods can help you boost your testosterone. First off, lean meats. They are a great source of high-quality proteins which are essential for testosterone production. Think of lean cuts of beef, chicken, turkey, and bison. These are protein powerhouses that can help keep your testosterone levels high. Next up, eggs. They're not just an excellent source of protein, but they're also rich in vitamin D and cholesterol, both of which are vital for testosterone production. So, scramble them, boil them, or make an omelet. Eggs are a testosterone-boosting superstar. Now let's talk about fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are all excellent choices. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to boost testosterone. Not a fan of fish? You can also get omega-3s from flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Don't forget your fruits and vegetables. Certain ones can help increase testosterone levels. Pomegranates, for instance, are known to boost testosterone levels and improve mood. Spinach is rich in magnesium, which can increase testosterone levels. And then there's garlic, which, when consumed with a diet high in protein, can help you optimize your testosterone levels. Lastly, let's not forget about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are all excellent sources of monounsaturated fats, which are crucial for testosterone production. But remember, it's not just about adding these foods to your diet. It's about maintaining a balanced diet. That means not overdoing it on any one food group and ensuring you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Overconsumption of anything, even healthy foods, can lead to weight gain and other health issues, which can negatively impact your testosterone levels. In conclusion, a diet rich in lean meats, eggs, fatty fish, certain fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats can help you maintain and even boost your testosterone levels. But the key is balance. Overindulgence can be as harmful as deprivation. Remember, a balanced diet is key in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Scene script. Exercise isn't just for getting buff, it can also help boost your testosterone levels. Let's dive into the world of fitness, where sweat and determination can lead not only to a chiseled physique, but also to a surge in your testosterone levels. One of the most effective ways to kickstart this hormonal growth is through resistance and weight training. Bench presses, squats, deadlifts, and other compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups have been shown to stimulate testosterone production. But it's not just about how much weight you lift, it's also about how you lift it. Research indicates that lifting heavier weights for fewer repetitions can produce a greater testosterone response than lifting lighter weights for more repetitions. So if you're aiming to boost those testosterone levels, try incorporating heavier lifts into your routine. Now, we're not saying you have to become a power lifter overnight. It's about finding a balance that works for your body and your fitness level. And remember, safety first. Always use proper form and consider working with a fitness professional if you're new to weightlifting. Next up is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This involves short, intense bursts of exercise followed by short recovery periods. Think sprinting for 30 seconds, then walking for 1 minute, and repeating this cycle for about 20 minutes. Studies suggest that HIIT can help increase testosterone levels while also improving cardiovascular health and burning fat. But what if you're not into weights or intense cardio? Well, don't worry. Even moderate exercise like jogging, cycling, or swimming can contribute to a healthy testosterone level. The important thing here is to stay active. Also, don't forget about rest days. Overtraining can actually decrease testosterone levels. So listen to your body. If you're feeling excessively tired or sore, it might be time to take a break. So there you have it. From weightlifting to high-intensity to moderate cardio, there are numerous ways to get your heart pumping and your testosterone flowing. Remember, consistency is key. Regular exercise can significantly boost your testosterone levels. Sleep and stress have a significant impact on your testosterone levels. This statement may surprise some, but it's an undeniable truth. When we delve into the realm of sleep, it's important to understand that it's not just about the quantity, but also the quality. Sleep is when our bodies repair, rejuvenate, and restore. It's during this vital downtime that testosterone production kicks into high gear. In fact, the majority of daily testosterone release in men happens during sleep, particularly during the deep REM stages. A lack of sufficient sleep can significantly lower testosterone levels. Studies have shown that men who sleep less than 5 hours per night have notably lower testosterone levels than those getting a full, uninterrupted 8 hours. So how can you improve your sleep quality? It's all about establishing a routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, keeping your bedroom cool and dark, and avoiding screens before bedtime can help you achieve a deeper, more restful sleep. Now let's talk about stress. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, in high levels, can inhibit testosterone production. Prolonged stress can lead to chronically high cortisol levels, which can wreak havoc on your testosterone. To manage stress, it's essential to incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to meditate or engage in deep breathing exercises. Regular physical activity is another effective way to reduce stress levels. And don't underestimate the power of a good laugh or a chat with a friend to lighten the load of a stressful day. It's also worth noting that sleep and stress are interconnected. High stress levels can lead to poor sleep, and poor sleep can increase stress. It's a vicious cycle that can be detrimental to your testosterone levels if not properly managed. Remember, a healthy body requires good sleep and low stress. So don't neglect these aspects of your life. Let's recap what we've learned today. We began this conversation by discussing the importance of testosterone. This hormone, often associated with masculinity, plays a crucial role in our bodies. It impacts everything from muscle mass and fat distribution to red blood cell production and mood regulation. Its significance cannot be overstated. We then delved into the signs of low testosterone. They are often subtle and can be mistaken for other conditions, or simply aging. From fatigue and depression to reduced muscle mass and an increase in body fat, these signs should not be ignored. Remember, knowledge is power, and recognizing these symptoms is the first step to addressing them. Our journey then took us to explore natural ways to boost testosterone levels. We learned that lifestyle changes can have a profound impact. Regular exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and managing stress are all key elements that can help increase your testosterone levels naturally. We zoomed in on nutrition and exercise, two crucial components that can significantly influence testosterone levels. We learned that certain foods such as lean proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables can help increase testosterone production. Similarly, resistance and high-intensity interval training exercises can stimulate testosterone production and promote muscle growth. Next, we highlighted the role of sleep and stress management. Both play a vital role in hormone regulation, including testosterone. Quality sleep and stress management techniques like meditation or yoga can help maintain optimal testosterone levels. In conclusion, boosting testosterone naturally is about embracing a healthier lifestyle. It's about making smarter food choices, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and managing stress effectively. Remember, improving your testosterone levels is a journey, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time and you'll see improvements in your overall health and well-being.